Hello, welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add DSLR. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. Now, I don't have a DSLR camera, but I do have a camera that I can show you guys how to add, and it would work the same way. So all you're going to want to actually go ahead and do is just connect your camera to your computer. Now, if you do have a DSLR camera, you're actually going to want to get a capture card and then connect your HDMI to your capture card and then connect the capture card to your computer. And then from there, once you open up your OBS and you have it nice and clean like this, just go ahead and press plus in your sources menu right here, and then just open up your video capture devices. And then from here, you can go ahead and choose the video capture device or the DSLR camera or whatever it is that you want to use. I already have an active video capture device. Hello. So we're not going to go ahead and mess with that for right now. But if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to leave them down below. Other than that, have a wonderful day.